this was a beautiful cake I made for my girl when we were surprising her with our baby shower. Anyway, I've been struggling with the fact that I'm no longer a teacher. So who am I? I'm of course a freelancing teacher, but now finding the identity after 10 years of teaching is now a big deal. Yeah, and to say the least, I've really tried a lot. Yeah, and trying to find your identity after leaving a certain profession is something else. So I am starting a daily practice of finding out who am I. Yeah, so I'm someone who explains complex ideas clearly. I bring clarity and calm to chaos. I care deeply about growth, creativity, and healing. This will help. This is actually really helping me to re-anchor myself and try to find out. So the other day, we were just sitting somewhere with a group of ladies, ladies and chamas. And then people were saying, one day God will bless you with this. Like one of us, most of them are professionals, and then some are doing businesses, and then the person who was speaking was like, one day you will get to a point and you have this breakthrough. And when she got to me, she was like, she took a minute to think, because she was struggling to find who I am. Nowadays when I'm introducing myself, mostly I say like I do branding. Yeah, I'm more of a tech person nowadays, but there is a lot that I do. So she was struggling with the fact that she cannot actually point out who I am, because I was a teacher for 10 years plus. I've been a teacher, and now I do it part-time, and that hit me like so anyway, I'm just someone who explains complex ideas clearly. I can bring clarity and calm to chaos. I care deeply about growth, creativity, and healing. So I'm trying to find my purpose in that. Yeah, amidst a lot of struggles in my life. Yeah, but yeah, I think I'm getting to that point where I've just been looking for an identity, because I no longer do what I did for a long time, but there is a purpose. So I'm turning 38, and I'm almost now, I'm in the other half, whereby I'm moving from career now to significance, and I gotta work something out. So in that journey of just reinventing myself and remembering that it's just taking another detour, okay?